Hi everyone, welcome back to DIY with a Jam. This is Ameenah here, and I am going to be doing June. This is a classic happy planner. It is the lined vertical seasonal doodles. We did try to use the lines and we're going to be switching it up, but that's coming next month. So for now, June. My inspiration this month is I was trying to use yellow because of the summer solstice and everything summer. And one of my sort of personal heroes as far as believing in yourself for personal creativity is Heather Kell. Her favorite color is yellow. So I really am trying to embrace the yellow. It's so bright. I usually am sort of kind of under the radar person, but I'm going to try. So I'm starting with the yellow. I'm starting with summer solstice. Just using some whiteout tape to go over the writing that I had on there before, but leaving space for me to sort of letter in something really cute to say summer solstice. And then using the sort of blush color that's already in the planner, I'm going to be using pink as the highlight color. And we'll see how this goes. one last sticker for that little spot, if not now, when. And that's my spread. I love it. It's so summery. It's ready for summer, even if I wouldn't mind fall. Just fast forwarding. I wish you guys a great month of June. Take care, stay safe out there, and as always, happy planning. If you liked hanging out with me, hit the like button. Let me know. Comment below if you don't want to hit the like button. It's fine. And if you'd like to see some more of our stuff, you can always subscribe. And we are on Instagram. Thanks for hanging out. Have a great day. Bye.